There is nothing more visually stunning than a high-definition LED screen, and once you experience their beauty, you will make sure you enjoy all of your favorite video content on one of these magnificent technological marvels. Our company is DESAY, and we have been involved in the LED industry for the past 15 years. Because of the high quality, advanced technology, and competitive pricing, our LED screens have built a very strong customer base. We are very proud of the timeline below, which shows our finest milestones. To date, more than 80% of our products have been exported to Europe, America, Japan, Australia, and other countries or regions. We have successfully completed more than 5,000 LED screen projects, both at home and abroad, and some of them for very well-known projects. By virtue of superior product quality, international trade expertise, exceptional service level, and powerful R&D capability, DESAY screens have earned the trust of global customers, and they are attracting more buyers to our company every day. At DESAY, we have established a multitude of workshops that strictly conform to related international standards. Our SMT workshop, where we invested in an industry-leading and fully automatic SMT placement machine for the production of surface mount components, is fully enclosed. Another workshop is equipped with American-made advanced machinery, which enables the components to be inserted fast, efficiently, and vertically through the opening. Once wave soldering, spray painting, initial installation, aging, gluing, post-installation, and other manufacturing operations have been completed, we send these products into a general assembly workshop. This workshop incorporates 3 production lines. Their chief function is to install the modules onto an LED cabinet and then put the power cord, power supply unit, and other pieces together to make a complete LED screen. Those finished LED display products are subjected to a full range of tests. White balance alignment means adjusting the brightness and color value of a single cabinet or an entire screen. We utilize our in-house developed software to greatly improve the luminance and chromaticity of each LED display panel. The world-leading technology of color correction on the entire screen and the single cabinet is one of our proudest achievements. And then packed for each order or customer. Our meticulous design, assembly, inspection, and competitive pricing provide you with an unbeatable LED screen solution. The incoming material inspection procedure is a process where the outsourced parts are tested to ensure high product quality. The main testing points include the cabinet size, flatness and jig, etc. We utilize an LED gonio photometer to test the samples, and only qualified LEDs are allowed to enter into the manufacturing process. Performance inspection is a process in which we carry out waterproof testing, vibration testing, and safety testing on LED outdoor screens and other products. Functional testing is a way of checking the electrical properties of the LED screen. The main testing points include the module's frame rate, duty cycle, load variation rate, and so forth. Testing the installation of an entire screen is conducted in a simulated environment. This allows us to timely detect the potential problems through the screen installation, testing, and aging process, and then the faulty screen can be repaired. High-low temperature test chamber is typically used by the Research, Development, and Quality Assurance Department to test the reliability of new products when used and stored at high or low temperatures and humid conditions, etc. last but not least, we keep developing new products at a very fast pace in response to the ever-growing market demands. The M Series product is considered one of the world's most lightweight outdoor screens per unit area. It is designed with a waterproof, noiseless, and fully enclosed cabinet. Its light intensity reaches more than 5,000 nits, which makes this LED display compliant with RoHS and CE standards. The E-Series product can be manual installed by a single person. It is designed with a patented lock that has a magnetic positioning function. This allows us to easily assemble or disassemble each cabinet in just 5 seconds. Not only that, our product allows for a 40% decrease in energy consumption when compared to traditional similar products. This series of LED display has numerous prominent features. For example, modular and user-friendly design for IMs and power box, as well as extremely fast replacement on-site by a single person. Professional lock design brings the high efficiency on installation and accuracy. This kind of product enables seamless splicing and fast maintenance. It comes with an intelligent calibration system, thus ensuring the correction data can perfectly match with the module.